by. Today I'm sharing how to get started creating your capsule wardrobe. So yeah, I'm super excited. So let's get started. So one of the things that I recommend doing when starting a capsule wardrobe is buying basics. So for me, that's t-shirts, leggings, sweatshirts, jeans, anything that is a basic item that you can use with a variety of different outfits. So for me, I love t-shirts. T-shirts are honestly my go-to. So I bought a couple new ones from H&M that I'm going to share with you today. So this is just a simple t-shirt. I bought it in white and I also got it in gray. Oh, there's the gray. And they're only $12.99. So very affordable, and these you can wear with jeans, you can wear them with leggings, you can wear them with a skirt, just something simple that you can throw on that you know you're going to be comfortable with, and they're just so soft and comfortable. Really easy to add into your capsule wardrobe. The other item, honestly, being a mom, always want to be super comfortable, so I did pick up a hoodie. So this one here is also from H&M. It has a fleece lining. This one I bought in a medium as well, and it was $24.99. So this you can pair with a trench coat, this hoodie, and a pair of leather leggings and running shoes, and that would be really cute for just like an outfit if you're going to drop the kids to school, you're running errands. So that is a really good option. Adding basics into your wardrobe will help you create a capsule wardrobe. Another point would recommend in order to create your capsule wardrobe is having staple pieces. A couple things that I have are just buying good quality jeans. So this here are a pair of Levi's jeans. They're really nice, super stylish. These are the wide leg, so very easy to throw on. I usually wear these with a pair of short boots, or in the summer I'll wear it with like a slip-on pair of shoes. There's this really cute pair I used to have that was in a gray color, but now I'm actually looking at another pair from Nordstrom's. It's really cute. It's called, I can't remember the name, but it's from UGG, and it's just like a gray slip-on. It's super cute, and I went and I saw them at Nordstrom the other day, and they're just so comfortable, and I'm like, I need to buy them. So those are on my list, but that just having basics as well as having staple items is something that you need to have when creating your capsule wardrobe. The other staple that I love to use, and you can use this item all year round, spring, summer, fall, and winter, is a blazer vest. So I bought this actually 5 years ago, and I've worn it all the time. So you can wear this with like a long sleeve shirt, and you can wear it with leggings, or you can do a turtleneck underneath, or if it's summer, you can just do a simple t-shirt. So I usually wear it with a turtleneck or a long sleeve shirt like this. And it's just super comfortable and easy to throw on, especially when you're trying to have a minimalistic style. These are all great items to add into your wardrobe. So decluttering your wardrobe and your closet. So anything that you haven't worn within 6 months, anything that doesn't fit, anything that you just don't feel, you know, when you feel great in an outfit, donate it, sell it. And you know, it's a great option to kind of declutter as well as making more space for new clothes, right? So having those basics are really great. Having staple items, decluttering, and organizing your closet will help you in creating your capsule wardrobe. If you're looking for more information on even styling leather leggings, I have this video here, as well as styling combat boots. I have this video here. Have a look, and we'll see you soon.